So making the intro, forgot to do it earlier, but today's hike is called the Barnnet Knob. I'm actually on the Firetower right now. The Firetower is on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We came in from Cherokee, North Carolina, and from that part is maybe like a 15-minute drive through the parkway to get to it. It's a pull-off. It's not really like a true pull-off, but it's just a pull-off, and you see a dirt road and a gate, and you follow just the gravel road all the way up to the tower. This tower also isn't, I don't think you can go into it, but it's not that big anyway, so I probably wouldn't want to do it anyways. But it's pretty high too. I'll have to look up and put the height of it in the description, but we're gonna head up to it and show you guys the view. This tower is pretty sketchy walking up compared to a lot of the other towers I've been on. It's pretty narrow, and when you get to the balcony before you start walking up to the next set of stairs, it's kind of bendy, so it makes you feel like you're gonna fall through. But it is pretty grown up around here. The trees kind of block a lot of the view, and the radio towers or towers, whatever is up here, kind of blocks the view too. But it's still pretty. It's not that bad of a hike up here. It's like 0.6 up a road, so not too bad. But the view's pretty nice regardless of the trees. Not too bad of a hike either, so all in all, not too bad.